So, welcome to today's lesson. This lesson we're going to look at the installation required tools. What are the tools you will need for work with React? First, you're going to need a text editor or code editor. In my own case, I'm going to recommend Visual Studio. You will need a NodeJs. NodeJs is a runtime environment for building your React project. We're not learning Node, but we're going to need Node for future React projects. Node comes with a package manager that I use to manage libraries for a React project in the web browser, and I'm going to recommend that of Chrome. So let's look at how we can use these tools, how to download and install these tools for our React project. So I believe that if you're already a developer, you'll be familiar with Visual Studio, and every one of us is also familiar with Chrome, which is a popular web browser. So to actually go to Google and type Node to download Node.js. So when you search for Node, the first link here takes you to the Node official website where you can download Node. So so you can see, you click on as at this time the latest edition is 20.14.0. That's a long-term support, and so what you need to do is just to click on download Node, and so it starts. You can see it's being downloaded to my system. So another tool we are going to need, as we said, is Visual Studio Code, which is a code editor. The other code editors like Sublime Text, Notepad++, and many of them. But I would recommend that you use Visual Studio Code. So all you need to do is go to your browser and go to Google and type VS Code. So you right-click and go to VS Code environment, the VS Code official website, and then download. So you choose your operating system, and then download. In one case, I'm using Windows, so you click on download. So as soon as you do that, it starts downloading. So that tool you're going to need is Chrome. I believe that most of us already have the Chrome browser, but eventually you don't have the Chrome browser. All you need to do is to go to Chrome and then download Chrome. And download the Chrome browser. So so I want to assume that you already have this. You already have all these. You already have Chrome installed. So you just click on download, accept now, and then download process will commence. So let us install each of these tools and then get it ready for our React project. So I'm going to go to my download folder, to my download directory, and then the first I have is Visual Studio. It's a Node. So it's a Node. So to install the system, what you need to do is to right click and then click on what to install. So you're going to run through the installation process to actually install your Node. So in my case, I have Node already installed on my system, but peradventure you don't have Node installed on your system. All you need to do is to go through the setup, you can see lists, accept the license lists, and then install. So I'm not going to install the Node because I already have it installed on my system. As soon as you do that, you need to confirm that Node have actually been installed in your system, and then type node -version. So if you have Node installed, it will return back the version of Node installed on your system. So my own case, that's the Node installed on my system is in version 13.1. So you can do that. So the second tool the second required tool we need in our React project is the VS Code. So there the VS Code. All you need to do is to run VS Code as an administrator and then follow through the installation process. So okay, So you go through the installation process, accept, lists, and then lists and install. So once you do that, you're going to have VS Code installed on your system. You can see I already have it installed on my system. So I'm going to cancel this. If I go to my computer and start for VS Code, you're going to see VS Code. So I have VS Code installed on my system. And so if you have these two tools installed on the system, they were ready for a React project. So you can see it already installed on my system, and then you can see it. So three things: you need a code editor, which in my case I'm recommending Visual Studio Code. You also need NodeJs, which is JavaScript runtime environment, which I'm going to use to build and maintain your React project. It comes in an NPM package. So we need it installed, and once you have it installed, run through the installation process to install your node, and to actually confirm the node that we installed. To actually confirm that your node that we installed, what you need to do is go to the command prompt and type node-version, and then to give you the version. Node comes with npm, which is the package manager for managing your libraries and package your project. So I can also confirm that this npm-version. I'll see the version of my npm that is installed on my system too. So we're going to install Node, we are going to install VS Code, and then we're going to install Chrome. So once you have these three things set up, you are going to start your project.